I guess.
Are we charging him?
Oh,
absolutely not, no. But is it fun?
Yeah, but they won't expect it, will they? So they might run away.
Look, we could go right.
If we're very quiet, they want to follow me. We're doing it. We're doing it. They will never expect us to charge. Left,
Let the enemy shoot them. They're gonna stand there. Let the enemy shoot them.
Let me entice them.
No, not yet.
Oh yeah, do it. Yeah. Apply. Quickly apply. Fire. Get charged. Get. I've had enough of this bullshit. Where's some patience? Get the flag bearer first. The twats. Yeah. Everything. Fuck it. They can't legally fire. Fuck it. Cover his boss is dead. He's dead. You can't fire when charging. Fuck it. Yeah.